Yeah, these motherfuckers get the yickety yakking about Uno on a daily. Motherfucker, what you got against me, homeboy? I'm just trying to live. I'm just trying to be a dad. I'm just trying to be a man. Fuck you got against me, homeboy? Men do what they really need to do, man. The fuck? Now with all due respect, what you got against me? Go ahead, break it down, motherfucker, let's see. I spit for a living, I got 2 children. Speak about the truth, well I guess that I will then. All of a sudden motherfuckers wanna hate me. Get a little power, now they feel they gon' break me. It takes me a second to recognize game. Now who the fuck are you to put smudge up in my name? I came from the streets, just like you, where you learn not to trust motherfuckers like you. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, you know where we come from. So why you feel you need a piece of my lump sum? Since I was young, I've been doing it for fun. One day we do a video and everybody come. Unfortunately, me and you don't see eye to eye, let me tell you all why. Cause I know the truth, I got proof up in my soul. Before you even try, yeah, I already know.